Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple AirPlay on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and AirPlay something onto your Apple TV, which is connected to your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now, first things first, you've got to make sure that your Apple TV is connected to your Samsung Smart TV. As simple as it sounds, just make sure that it's hooked up. The second thing is that if you go into settings and then navigate to where it says AirPlay and HomeKit, and then where it says AirPlay, you want to make sure that this is on. And then the next thing is this really important piece right here where it says allow access. So by default, Apple AirPlay is set to same network. So what this means is that if your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple TV, then you should be able to display or AirPlay onto your Samsung Smart TV. But let's say that this was set to only people sharing this home, then you're probably going to have trouble AirPlaying onto your Apple TV. But I'd say just make sure that your Wi-Fi network is connected to the same network that your Apple TV is connected to. And by being on the same network, you should be able to AirPlay onto your Samsung Smart TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Apple TV and and that right there is the best way to fix Apple AirPlay on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.